Welcome to another journey with Time Traveler. Today, we raise our glass not just in celebration, but in memory. We go back to a time when television screens lit up with the presence of one man. The king of Philippine movies. Fernando Poe Jr., or simply, the king. Through these rare and timeless San Miguel beer commercials, we see more than just advertisements. We see friendship, laughter, the Filipino spirit. We see the heart of FPJ, a man of action, a man of the people, and a man who always knew how to share a cold bottle with friends after a long day. These commercials aren't just about beer. They are snapshots of an era, of old friends, family gatherings, and the golden days when life was simpler and the moments meant more. So sit back, reminisce with us, and let's toast to memories, to the king, and to the good times we'll never forget. This is Time Traveler, and today we remember.
San Miguel Beer.